Myself, Dr. Suman Kumar Mishra, and this is my brief profile. Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, KMC, Language University, Lucknow. And I have already discussed what is database management systems and what is the purpose of database management system, and already discussed level of abstractions and level of database management system, and already explain the view of database management system, instance and schemas. Last previous slides already I have discussed data models. I discussed the different type of the data models, and also discuss the data manipulation language. Data manipulation language, already I have discussed the three commands: insert, update and delete command. And already I have discussed the DDL, data definition language, and in DDL three commands: create, alter and drop. And already discussed the relational database management system, and last slides discuss the sequels, structure, query, language, and using the select command, from command, where commands, and database design I have already discussed, and object relational database. And now today start new topic: transaction management systems. Transaction management system mainly using in the ATM systems, and two basically command used in transaction management system: commit and rollback. Commit means कि 100% success your transactions, and rollbacks means not successful your transaction. Sometimes ATM comes to any problems, yeah, in any failure of the transaction, then using the rollback. And if your transaction is 100% successful, then it is a commit. And transaction using the ACID commands. ACID means A stands atomicity, C consistencies, I isolations, and D durabilities. A atomicities ki all the transactions individually handle. Second is the consistencies. Consistency means ki suppose that ki running two transactions parallelly, but at the same times only run one transactions. This is the consistencies. Isolations means ki running the different type of the transaction at the same times, and isolations ki running the different transaction in different times. And third is the durabilities, ki all the transaction store in hard disk, and it is also called the internal label. And it is a concurrency control management, transaction management component, and transactions. So first question, what is a transactions? So transaction is a collection of operations that performs a single logic function in a database applications. And the transaction management components, already I have discussed ACID components, and 5 commands used in transaction control systems: active commands, active states. Second is the abort case. Third is the failure. Fourth is the partial commit, and fifth is the commit. Next slide discuss the database architectures. Database architectures using the different type of the database types: distributed database, centralized database, client server database, and it is also support to the multi-purpose and multi-processing parallel database. And next slide given the architectures of database. The first is the using the different type of users: native users, application based users, sophisticated users, as well as means ki specialized user. Ki basically 4 types of the users, and it is using the different type of interfaces. First interface native users using the application interface, application programmers using the application programs, sophisticated users using the query tools means कि handling the different type of the database queries, and database administrator controlling overall database structures and controlling all the activities through the database administrator, and using the suppose application programmers. So it is a using the compiler as well as the linkers, and DML handled by the database administrator as well as the sophisticated users. Sophisticated users running the different type of the queries, and database administrator handling the design purpose as well as the query handlings, and how to data store in database also performed by the database administrator, and what are the strategy storing of the database data in database defined by the database administrator, and DTL also performed by the database administrator. And using the after in this label comes to the third labels buffer managers, file managers, and also checking the authorization and validations in third label, and also performed by the transaction managers. And last step is the all the data stored in database systems. So it is a total comes to the four level: first level, second level, third level, and fourth level database architectures. And next slide, last topic is the history of database systems. 1950 to 1960s, mainly using the file based systems, all the records handling through the file. But the main problem is the data redundancy, or redundancy means duplicacies. Duplicate many times you are using the file systems, and computerized system only using the punch card based input and using the punching machine. And 1960 to 1970 comes to the first database systems, and it is called the IMS. IMS stands Information Management System in 1966, first database systems, and all the data stored in hard disk in between 1960 to 1970, and developed the two another data model, network model and hierarchical data model. And before 1960s already developed the relational data models. So next, and all three, relational, network, and hierarchical model is also called the classical models. And in this times using the develop the Turing systems and Turing tools, and also develop the R prototypes in between the 1960 to 70s, and also using the high based performance transaction between 1960 to 70s. And 1980s, large size of database handling the with help of the queries, and this queries is called the structured query language, SQL. And SQL also, after SQL development comes to the another types of database, it is called the object oriented database systems in 1980 to 1990s. And 1990 to 2000s comes to the another field, it is called the data mining field and data warehouse fields. Data mining is a process, and data warehouse is an advanced database, and it is a collect the historical data, and after collection of the historical data, and take the decision behalf of the historical data. And second is the web commerce. 1989 already comes to the www concepts, and comes to the e-commerce concepts. E-commerce concept. 1996 comes to the first e-commerce hotwire.com. It is the first commercial purpose websites, and comes under the e-commerce, and it is a web commerce based concepts. And after 2000s comes to the XML and XQuery standards. XML stand extensible markup language, and XQuery it is handling the different about the web applications, and auto and different of the component tools, and develop the component based tools and enterprise based tools handling to the different about the databases, then using the automated database administrators. And next is the and thank you.